Rosie here from 4x4 and Camping Channel, and today we're going to be doing another update video on the Hilux. I've got quite a few things for it now and collecting a few parts for the restoration. We've also started the restoration now and a few other little things here and there that I want to show you. So let's get into it. Righto, so the first thing you might notice is that the red door is now blue again. We just did a quick $5 rattle can job on this one. Just a quick touch up before the restoration. I was sick of it red, so now it looks a lot tidier blue. Yeah, it looks pretty nice actually. This blue we sprayed it. If it looks this nice now, absolutely looking forward to how to look after the restoration. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what we've actually started with on this restoration here. So I'll grab the camera and I need to flip it around. Right now, I flipped it around and we've started the restoration here. So we've found a bit of a drum with this battery tray that it's actually all cracked out around the bottom. I'd say the old battery has started leaking, it's all corroded. Look at the stuff we got out of that battery tray, it's a mess. So we'll grab a battery tray out of another model and cut and weld it in again. Also, we've completely stripped out the engine bay. I'm starting to tape everything up, ready to start sanding, and then will be the big paint job. Got all my tools laid out here. All my parts are sitting there. Absolute mess of parts there. Also, we found a little crack right here in the side of the guard, which we'll have to repair. Oh, and also, look at the custom area we found. We got this with the replacement cab, and I was meant to show you in the restoration video. So we picked up a bulbar for the Hilux, and now I'm going to review it. Ta-da! It's not a genuine tough bar, but it looks like a tough bar. It's obviously a similar tough design bar. We picked this up dirt cheap off Gumtree. It was an absolute bargain. And I think it is going to look absolutely mint on this new Hilux. Big four-face design. And I have looked at the front end of the Hilux. And, hey, I've looked at the front end of the Hilux, and it's actually not going to affect my approach angles. I think I might lose about 15 mil of clearance at the most. And the dog just walked past. And yeah, we're going to convert it to winch compatible. So we'll cut the hole around and put a winch paddle behind the bar. So yeah, we'll run the rope out there. Another plate go down here. But yeah, I think this is going to look absolutely awesome on the Hilux. It's a big upgrade from the little two-face stroke on it at the moment. So big tough four-face, it's going to look absolutely awesome. And you really want the added protection that these tough bull bars give you around our place, because there's lots of roos. So yeah, this bull bar, I'm so excited to put it on. I cannot wait. So yeah, I think that's everything. So yeah, I'm happy this restoration started. I'm sorry in the delay for the video. I've been hard working at it. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please smash that subscribe button down the bottom and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Oh, also, this will be the last video I upload before school goes back, which is really, really annoying because I don't want to go back to school. But anyway, you gotta do it. So yeah, so we'll be going back just to the weekly format now. So yeah, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.